Have you ever felt it? That creeping sense of weariness, a subtle draining of your vitality that you can't quite pinpoint? The persistent niggle of minor health complaints that, while not debilitating, collectively dim the sparkle of your everyday existence? Perhaps a dull ache in your gums, a lingering metallic taste, or that uncomfortable bloat after a meal, making you feel less like yourself and more like a muted echo. This was Sarah's reality. A vibrant, intelligent woman in her late 30s, Sarah navigated the demands of her bustling marketing career with a practiced smile. But beneath the surface, she was fighting a silent battle. Her mornings often began with a heavy sigh, her energy flagging before noon. She'd grown accustomed to a perpetual mild indigestion, which often manifested as an embarrassing flatulence or a distended stomach that made her favorite clothes feel tight. Her breath, despite meticulous brushing, sometimes felt less than fresh, a source of quiet anxiety in client meetings. And the general feeling of being off a kind of low-grade inflammation that manifested as stiffness in her joints. And a dullness in her skin had become her unwelcome companion. Sarah had tried everything, from restrictive diets to expensive supplements, but nothing seemed to truly reignite her inner spark. She yearned for a return to the effortless vitality she remembered from her younger days. Her turning point came not from a doctor's visit or a new diet book, but from an unexpected encounter with Eleanor, her sprightly neighbor in her 70s. Eleanor was a marvel. Her eyes sparkled with an irrepressible joy, her skin glowed with a healthy luminosity, and she moved with a grace that belied her years. Sarah often saw her tending her vibrant herb garden, humming a cheerful tune. One crisp autumn afternoon, Sarah found herself confessing her woes to Eleanor over a cup of herbal tea. Eleanor listened patiently, her wise eyes full of understanding. When Sarah finished, Eleanor simply smiled, a knowing, gentle smile. "My dear," she began, her voice soft but resonant, "sometimes the greatest remedies are found in the smallest, simplest gifts of nature. Have you ever considered the humble clove?" Sarah blinked. Cloves? The aromatic spice she used in baking around the holidays? Eleanor nodded, reaching into a small, intricately carved wooden box and producing 2 tiny, dark brown spice buds. "For years now," Eleanor explained, "I've made it a daily ritual to chew just 2 of these little powerhouses. It's a habit that has truly transformed my well-being, and I believe it can do the same for you." Sarah was skeptical but desperate. 2 cloves? She asked, a frown creasing her brow. What could 2 tiny cloves possibly do? Eleanor leaned forward, her eyes twinkling. "More than you could ever imagine, my dear. These little wonders are packed with a compound called eugenol ***, a true marvel of nature. It's a powerful, active compound, and it's the secret behind so many of the health benefits I'm about to tell you about." Intrigued, Sarah took the 2 cloves from Eleanor. They had a surprisingly strong, pungent aroma. "Tell me more," she urged. "Well, let's start with what you'll notice almost immediately." Eleanor began. "Your mouth. Think of chewing a clove as a ***, biological mouthwash ***. The eugenol in cloves is a potent antimicrobial. It works diligently to kill the very bacteria that cause tooth decay and gingivitis, those pesky culprits behind gum inflammation and cavities, and that unwelcome guest, bad breath. Cloves neutralize it, leaving your mouth feeling remarkably fresh and clean. Beyond that, they have a soothing quality, calming any irritation in your gums. You'll find yourself with a healthier, happier mouth, without needing artificial rinses or harsh chemicals." Sarah, remembering her recent dental checkup and the dentist's gentle warning about early gingivitis, felt a flicker of hope. She decided to try it that very evening. The initial taste was intense, a warm, spicy burst that quickly mellowed into a pleasant, clean sensation. She chewed them slowly, just as Eleanor had instructed, allowing the natural oils to release. To her surprise, her mouth did feel remarkably fresh, and the next morning she noticed a subtle improvement in her breath. Encouraged, Sarah continued the ritual. After a few weeks, she began to notice another profound shift. Her persistent digestive woes started to recede. The uncomfortable bloating that used to plague her after meals became less frequent, then almost disappeared. The embarrassing flatulence that had been a constant source of discomfort diminished significantly. "This is another gift of the cloves," Eleanor had explained during their next chat. "They are incredible allies for your digestion." Chewing them improves digestion by increasing enzyme production These enzymes are crucial for accelerating food breakdown, ensuring your body can extract nutrients more efficiently. When food breaks down properly, you prevent the fermentation that leads to bloating and gas. And there's an added benefit. Cloves are known to help prevent parasites, keeping your gut flora balanced and healthy. Sarah felt a newfound lightness, a comfort in her own body she hadn't experienced in years. Meals were no longer a source of dread but a simple pleasure. As the weeks turned into months, the changes became even more profound. Sarah found herself waking up with more energy, feeling less stiff, and her skin, once prone to a dull pallor, now had a healthy, natural glow. "You're experiencing the power of a true guardian," Eleanor had said, her voice full of conviction. Cloves are a powerful antioxidant . They have an incredibly high ORAC value that stands for oxygen radical absorbance capacity, which is a measure of their ability to fight off harmful free radicals in your body. Free radicals are like tiny saboteurs that damage your cells, leading to inflammation and premature aging. By neutralizing them, cloves protect your cells, reduce inflammation throughout your body, and even protect your blood vessels from premature aging, keeping them supple and strong. This is why you feel more energetic, why your body feels less inflamed, and why your skin looks so much healthier. Sarah felt like she was shedding years from her appearance and, more importantly, from how she felt internally. But perhaps the most significant change, the one that truly cemented Sarah's belief in the humble Clove, was a deeper, more subtle shift in her overall well-being. Her energy levels became more stable, the afternoon slumps less frequent, and she found herself less prone to the sugar cravings that used to derail her healthy eating intentions. She felt a general sense of internal cleanliness, a feeling that her body was working more harmoniously. "This is the Clove's silent work," Eleanor explained one sunny morning, as they sat together in the garden sipping their tea. It supports metabolic balance and liver protection The compounds in cloves, particularly eugenol, have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity. This means your body uses insulin more effectively, helping to regulate blood sugar levels and preventing those energy crashes and cravings. And your liver, that incredible organ responsible for detoxifying your entire system, gets a powerful boost. Cloves aid the liver's natural detoxification process, helping it to efficiently clear out toxins and maintain its optimal function. It's like giving your body a gentle, continuous cleanse from the inside out. Sarah looked at Eleanor, tears welling in her eyes. "Eleanor," she whispered, "you've given me back my life. I feel reborn." Eleanor simply smiled, her eyes crinkling at the corners. "My dear, you've simply rediscovered the wisdom that nature has always offered. It wasn't me. It was your willingness to listen, to try, and to trust in the power of simplicity. Health isn't always found in complex solutions or expensive cures. Sometimes it's found in 2 tiny cloves chewed daily, consistently with intention." Sarah's transformation was remarkable. She was no longer just surviving, she was thriving. Her energy was boundless, her digestion was perfect, her breath was fresh, and her spirit radiated a vibrant health that was palpable. She became an unofficial ambassador for the Clove, sharing her story with anyone who would listen, inspiring friends and colleagues to embrace this simple, ancient ritual. She realized that true well-being wasn't a destination, but a journey paved with small, consistent acts of self-care. And for Sarah, that journey began and continued with the humble, powerful gift of 2 cloves a day. It was a testament to the profound impact that such a tiny natural wonder could have on the intricate symphony of the human body, a reminder that the greatest treasures often lie hidden in plain sight, waiting to be discovered.